this up. This is serious liver support. So I've been using these guys for a while, using the Drinkwell ones. This is for your liver and for helping with hangovers, but this is like their upgraded one. So this is their serious liver support and detox. So this is probably a nice thing to have around if you are going to be imbibing any kind of alcohol or anything like that. Yeah, so I'm sure you can see the ingredients and everything it has on the actual ad. You probably don't need to look at it here, but if you want, you can kind of screenshot it and take a little bit of a closer look. I'll show you what the pills look like. They're like a darker color. There you go. And they definitely have a smell. But these are some serious liver support pills. How do you say that? Revile. I think it's liver and backwards. So there you go.